Hello, my name is Sandy and I'm in 5th grade. I'm taking coding lessons from 98th percentile. I used the Wix website editor to make my website. Now I'll show you my website. My website is about NASA's spacecraft. I added a logo to it and I added some stars for design to the title. My first strip is about Voyager 1. I wrote information and text and animated it. My second strip is about Voyager 2. And I learned about that it orbits Neptune and Uranus. My third strip is about the Curiosity rover. I also learned that it's car-sized and it goes on Mars. My last and fourth strip is about Juno. It orbits Jupiter. Thank you.